Welcome back from my studio, Iacopelli. I'm super excited today. I don't want to waste your time. Come in, please. Welcome to
Vito.
Guga Food, the best meat channel in the world.
All the way from Miami to learn.
I'm so excited to have you here in
You're
Italy,
excited.
in my
I'm
studio.
excited.
You know, I taught you how to make Neapolitan style pizza before.
Yes.
But today, we don't waste time. I'm going to teach you how to make New York style, quality level pizza at home.
Let's go.
In just a few hours.
No way.
It's possible. It's possible to make the best pizza, quality pizza, in just a few hours. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Go right now.
Let's go. We don't waste time. Watch until the end. Make sure to check out his channel and let's rock and roll. Let's get the ingredients done, the dough, and
In 2 hours? Seriously?
just the time to warm up the oven. Let's go. Let's not waste the
Let's
time.
go.
Okay, here we are, Guga. So now,
Wow. Thanks for having me.
no problem, my friend.
Wow. This is a beautiful spot, man.
Thank you
Congratulations.
so much. Thank you. Welcome to Soft and Crunchy Home Kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the original New York style at home in a few hours.
Okay, I want to learn. Let's
So,
go.
that's the ingredient that you need.
Show
of
me.
course, the poolish.
Yes.
This one was made the day before with 300 grams of water, 300 grams of flour, 5 grams of dry yeast, and 5 grams of honey. Mix it up, leave it 1 hour at room temperature, and then in the fridge overnight. Then we get it, and we put it inside the mixer. So now, because we want to have the dough in 2 hours, we're just gonna add 5 grams of dry yeast. This is gonna help our fermentation. 5 grams of dry yeast.
You don't even measure anymore.
No, because
You
one
know-
cup of this is 5 grams.
Oh, I thought you knew by heart.
No, no, the experience. I've been 25 years making the pizza. And then we need 330 grams of 00 flour,
Uh-huh.
300 grams of semolina flour, 300 grams of cold water, 30 grams of sea salt, and 50 grams of extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive
This
oil.
is gonna help to cook and make it more crunchy. So the first ingredients here is the flour.
Okay.
Bye. The
Okay.
whole flour. 300
The whole
grams.
thing? The whole
yeah,
thing?
or the whole thing. Right.
Okay.
I don't want to make it too complicated. Otherwise, at home, the lady at home is gonna be so complicated. Skip the video. So we're gonna make it easy.
Easy. Easy always better,
Easy.
Vito.
The whole salt.
Whole salt, okay.
Bye. The olive oil.
Olive oil, everything together.
Everything together. Don't worry about.
Wow.
We're
Okay.
gonna make it easy.
Okay.
The whole flour.
What is this? Semolina?
Semolina.
Okay.
You can find this easily in
Yeah.
any store on Amazon today. You
Fine
can
semolina.
find semolina.
Fine semolina.
We need to add half amount of the water.
Half. Got
Yeah.
it.
Close everything
Okay.
and mix it at low speed. We don't want to mix the dough for longer than 15 to 20 minutes because it warms up and then we destroy the gluten. Once everything is together, we're gonna start to add the water little by little. Same way how we do Neapolitan style, nothing changed.
So the biggest difference here I can see is that obviously you're adding olive oil and semolina flour.
And also, I'm lowering down the hydration. So
Yeah.
I'm putting less water.
So it's more crunchy.
It's more hard, more easy to work. So this pizza is gonna be super easy to work and it's gonna be much more crunchy.
Wow.
We wanna have that crunch, so no soft here.
Crunchy and crunchy in the
Crunch
same
is,
time.
yeah, that's good. Crunch and crunch at the same time.
So easier hydration, a lot easier to work with.
Keep in mind one thing, it's longer to digest. Now, before adding this water, you see that everything is all together. Speed
Yeah, it's
up
nice
the
and
machine
clean. Okay.
around 5, 6. Then we add the water little by little, and we want to wait that every time that we add the water, we have to wait that the dough absorbs the water.
Vito, what will happen, like everybody have this question, if you just throw all the water right now?
You don't build the gluten properly, so your body will digest the dough in a wrong way and longer.
Ah.
The goal is to get the gluten nice and elastic. So the dough is gonna mix until the dough will absorb all the water, and that's it. So this usually takes about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Okay, Guga,
Yeah.
you're almost done. Put the last part of the water, all of them. Go, 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 go. Don't worry about. Done. So now, when the water is absorbed, the dough is ready. Okay, done. Take it off. Voila.
Wow.
See, the dough is nice and strong. Perfect. Olive oil in your hands. I'll do it. Don't worry.
Okay.
The counter, a little bit of olive oil. Now we grab it, and you can see it comes out.
Wow.
See how strong?
Yeah.
That's the goal. You want to have the dough mixer clean.
Yeah.
So now look at this. My hands are clean. So now here we're gonna pull the gluten, like you can see. Pull it. See?
Yeah.
That's the gluten right here.
Wow.
Now we make into a ball, one ball. Done. Now we just leave it a little bit of olive oil there. Olive oil in the container. Just a little bit, eh? Close it. I'm gonna leave it at room temperature for 1 hour and then I'm gonna go ahead and ball it. This way, after 1 hour, the dough is ready to use.
Got it.
So we're gonna wait 1 hour.
1 hour.
Here we go.
Wow.
The dough, did you see?
Look
1
at that.
hour only.
Look at that.
Wait, here
It's
it's
like a
hot.
balloon.
Here it's hot.
Yeah, but it was in the middle, but now it's all the way to the top.
It grows.
Yeah,
we
grow
have,
very,
we have
very
30
fast.
Celsius here. Olive oil in your hands.
Yep.
You can use the same. Now, pay attention. See what I'm doing? Gently.
Yep.
Gently. You don't want to go like this. Go in your hands. Look what I'm doing. You're going to go like that. This part always stays on top. Take off the air. Now we make the balls. Depends how big you want to make the pizza. I want to make like about 13 inches pizza. Gonna cut it like that. That's how we make the balls. Or you just scale it. That's about 280 grams. And then you
I
go
love how
ahead.
you say it's about 280 grams, and I can guarantee you, if you weight this, it's gonna be exactly the amount.
Man, I've been making pizza since I
think
was
you've been
6
making
years
it more
old.
than-
6 years old, I have the weight right here. Look,
You
wait.
know exactly.
See,
Yeah,
it's
look at
280.
that. 280 grams.
Go, make one ball.
So I do it this way, Vito, just to make
Be
it.
careful, don't break the gluten on top.
Don't break it on top. Push.
It needs
push.
to be smooth. You don't want to overdo it.
Don't overdo it. Hold on, let me try to do like you. I'm trying to estimate.
that's too much,
No,
see?
I'm trying to learn here, okay? 280 grams. 280 grams.
Just look at that ball.
Let's see. Hold on. I'm trying. Okay.
Here we go. Let's put it next to it.
Okay, hold
That
on.
one, not this.
Oh, no, I know, but let me see.
It's easier by look. Yeah.
Maybe a little. Wait, no. This is a competition. Put it back. Bring me a scale. Huh? Come on, Vito. Let's see.
Oh, 295.
Oh, maybe a little too much.
Little bit. Take it off.
Oh, just like you
I
said.
even take it off a little bit. We are talking about grams,
Right.
so it's more precise.
More
it's
precise.
harder.
Yep.
So now make it nice and smooth.
Yep.
Grab a container and then place the balls far from each other, like about four fingers. Put a little bit of olive oil on top. This way it doesn't stick. Because if you guys are home, you want to put some plastic wrap on top. It needs to be important. It needs to be nice and sealed. In this case, we have a lid.
How long
And-
we gotta let it grow?
1 hour.
1 hour.
In the meantime, we're gonna prepare some ingredients. We're gonna turn it on the oven with a stone inside. See the stone?
Yeah.
So let's prepare some ingredients. We're gonna make a classic quality New York style pizza.
Because the cheese is different.
Oh, so hold on, we get there for the ingredients. Let's prepare it. Okay, Guga, here we go. We gotta start with the main ingredient, the pepperoni. But in Italy, we don't have pepperoni.
No.
So we're gonna use quality pepperoni. Salame,
Salami.
spicy salame.
Spicy salami, got it.
This is the real pepperoni. Know what
Yeah.
I'm saying?
That's how it started.
Yes. You ever taste salame in Italy? Spicy salame?
No.
Taste this.
You know, I'm not a huge fan of pepperoni. That's not
Spicy.
pepperoni.
No, it's salame.
That is amazing.
You know, it's so funny. I'm super happy that you are here. A real
I
American.
think I am a lot more happier than you.
A really American came to Italy and tasted the New York style pizza from an Italian chef in Italy.
Oh boy, here we go.
You're gonna tell me the true 1 to 10, your vote of this pizza at the end.
I'll tell you.
The most important ingredient. Everybody in New York, they say, we have a secret. Blah, 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 blah. The New
It's
York
the water.
is the water, blah, blah. Okay, we're gonna tell the secret, okay?
Okay.
We just get the can, open the can, and then smash the tomato, and that's what you have.
That's
Plain
it.
tomato, no. You're gonna put salt,
Okay.
couple of pinch of salt, olive oil, about 1 scoop of olive oil, oregano, because it gives the flavor. Little bit of oregano. We're talking about tomato sauce for New York pizza.
I see.
And then pinch of pepper, a pinch, not too much. Mix everything. Figurine.
That's the secret.
Taste, taste, taste. You tell me. Good, huh?
I think the secret is the tomato.
And the secret
The tomato needs to be really good because
secret
that is
is-
delicious.
is a rebel. We get to the mozzarella.
Oh, I see.
So look what I did. I use fresh mozzarella. People say, oh, but if I use the fresh mozzarella
It's
for a
gonna
new
burn.
style, it's gonna burn or it's gonna come out all watery or soggy.
Uh-huh.
Well, I teach you how to not make the pizza that way, and it's gonna stay crunchy and same texture.
Okay.
I cut it yesterday, and then I put it in the drainer, and then you got some milk
whey.
from the bottom. Voila. This is the fresh mozzarella. Thin cut, like that, and voila. We need pecorino cheese
Really?
to make it more tasty.
Oh my God.
The final ingredient.
This looks interesting. You know what this looks like? Have you heard about mad honey?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Taste this one a little bit. This is homemade from my father.
You see, it does not matter what we do. That is incredible. Nobody
My
going to
father
be able to
made it.
taste that. That is phenomenal.
From the bee.
You know, I eat honey every day.
Let's wrap it up and let's make the pizza.
Let's go.
Okay, my friend. That's how we see
Let's do it.
that the dough is ready. Boom. Voila.
Oh.
It double up the side. Did you see?
Yep.
It's nice and strong. So now in this case, we're using semolina. Look. Voila. So we take it out and we place it like that. Now, go a few times in the flour. So we press everything. We don't do this. We just press the sides.
Oh, I see.
Then
It's
lightly.
very, okay, you
It's
press
really
all of
strong.
the air out.
Yeah,
Oh.
we want that's the goal. We want to take out all the air. Then we turn it on. Then we press more. And then we go like that. Press and pull. Press and pull. Turn your hand. Pop. Pop. Then we go like that. Go on your hands. Boom. And then with your hands, you just make it big. And then whoop.
I see.
Gentle. Whoop. Gentle. We make about 13 inches pizza. And then that's the perfect size, see? I put it upside down. The top part in this case goes down.
Oh, really?
Yes, in this case. Now we go ahead and put 1.5 spoon of tomato. You go all the way to the crust. Then we put olive oil. You want to part bake the dough. So hold it and just slightly go ahead and put your peel under. Okay, look.
In the oven.
In the oven. Now we're gonna turn right before putting the pizza
So right
in the
now
oven.
it's in broil.
Yeah, right now before putting in the oven, we have a pizza section here.
Ah.
But if it's not, you just put it in ventilator.
Oh, like
Yeah, static is static. I think that's ventilated. Then go ahead, open right away. You put the pizza inside, lift it up gently, one shot, small that goes on the bottom, and then boom,
Got it.
done. Close right away. We cook it until you get the seal nice and gold.
Uh-huh.
When it's gold, about 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Okay, the dough, the pizza dough is nice and gold.
I see.
And now go ahead and see, it's nice and brown
I see that. Oh, already.
already. Now, first thing here, we are gonna put the cheese, the fresh mozzarella. So cover the cheese, the pizza with this fresh mozzarella. Now we put the spicy salami. We're gonna put it nicely in order like Japanese do. Now we go with the pecorino cheese on top, everywhere.
Wow.
Then we go with the oregano.
Wow, oregano right now.
Yes. And then olive oil everywhere. Boom. Now go in the oven. 1, 2, go. In this case, we put the white part. That way. Okay. Done.
Wow. How
Now
long?
we cook it until the mozzarella starts to bubbling.
I see.
About 4 minutes.
And the bottom will be nice and crunchy.
Yes. Here we go.
I'm excited.
The pizza is ready. Mozzarella starts to bubbling. Woo! Be careful your face when it comes out. And smell that.
Wow. Let's go.
And that's what I call a quality New York style pizza. the perfection.
Looks
You smell-
beautiful.
It smells like a little bit of New York. Let's check out this pizza at the bottom.
Yep, let's see.
Nice and crispy. That's what I'm talking about. Now, look at the side. The plate is 13 inches.
It's the perfect size. Yeah.
Guys, I present you. Oh, it's not done yet. Whoa, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Ready?
Yep.
That's how you put the honey on the pizza. Just light. You don't want to have
Yeah, you don't want to
too
overdo
much.
it. Yeah, I
Otherwise,
agree.
it's just gonna be just a little taste. Done, quick. And now I present you the quality New York style pizza made in Italy for American guy from Italian chef.
Let's go.
Now it's time to taste.
Let's go.
My mouth is watering, and let's go. You heard that?
Oh yeah, I heard that.
But the smell, oh my God.
It smells crazy. Can we go?
I think you should go with this. I go with this.
Okay.
See, it holds it well.
It holds it together.
It's
Ooh,
nice.
it's piping hot.
It's spicy, it's hot. You wanna wait a few seconds. Just give it a taste to the crust, 1 second. Even if they are a little bit small, but this is where you see the fermentation. So make sure, guys, when you eat a pizza, watch the inside. And you see a lot of bubbles,
Yeah.
the pizza is ready.
Fermentation is good.
Let's taste the dough.
I cannot believe you made that in 2 hours. Well, on a home oven.
Home oven, 100% at home.
Wow.
It tastes, see the taste?
Yeah.
Insane. Anyway,
Wow, that tastes good. Wow, that tastes really good. Just the crust is good enough already. Okay, we try it.
voila, yes. Be
Okay.
careful, don't get burned.
Uh-oh.
Otherwise,
It's nice and hot.
your palate is gonna suffer. Be careful the
No,
oil.
no, no.
It's gonna
I
drip
still have a
everything.
long time here in Italy.
chin.
Cheers, my brother. Oh.
Man,
Oh, wow.
it's good. Shit. Woo.
I got cheese all over.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you, it's good.
I'm telling you, it's
Got
good.
some cheese right here. Hold on. Yeah, there
Got
we
even
go.
more cheese. It's piping hot. It's delicious. I love the spiciness of the
You get
salami.
you get the sweet from the honey.
The sweet of this, the sweet of the honey, but also the spiciness of the salami. You basically made hot honey better.
Yeah.
You made hot honey better. And the crunchiness on the bottom is just so good. And I agree with you about the pecorino romano on top. That makes a huge flavor bomb. It enhances the pizza flavor.
It's interesting that you are saying details every single ingredients, because the goal of the food in general is that you want to take your palate and your brain needs to taste every single ingredient on the pizza, and that's
Yeah.
when it's quality.
Yeah,
But because if you don't taste something, that ingredient, it was no quality.
that is phenomenal, Vito.
I get all the ingredients single in my brain, separate. Check the bottom there.
Look at that. Can you
Insane.
guys see that? That's crazy. It's juicy. The pizza is juicy.
And the bite is so smooth. Enough talking. We're gonna make one of these, and I'm gonna still eating. We're gonna still eating. My friend, I want you. Now you came all the way from Miami to Bari in my studio. Tell me, please, 1 out of 10, what's the vote of this pizza?
Vito, I would be mad if I don't say a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10, my friend.
Oh, it's good. I have to say that too.
It's a 10 out of 10, everybody. This is delicious. 2 hours. You made this pizza in 2 hours. That's
Yeah.
crazy. You know, the spiciness, the crunchiness. This right here, oh, it reminds me of New York. You heard that?
I'm personally surprised how it come out.
Yeah, it's very good. It's very good.
I think I'm gonna repeat this recipe. Guys, thank you so much for watching, but thank you so much for coming all the way here, taking your time, valuable time. Come and visit me. I like to teach you this. Guys, watch this channel because we made some crazy videos. Just check it out, link in description, and make sure, share, and comment below. 1 out of 10. What's your vote?
And most important, subscribe. We'll see
course.
you guys on the next one. Take
Ciao.
care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Let me keep it this.
Oh, wow, I'm
it's
taking
crazy.
this one away. I'm gonna give this one to my wife.
Yeah, you need to taste it.